Dear friends, good morning. I would like to share a few thoughts on the theme Great blessings result from great perseverance. Perseverance is the attitude that transforms ordinary lives into extraordinary stories. It can be compared to a steady flame that is not extinguished by storms, or to a patient hand that continues to sow seeds despite the fact that the soil seems barren. Human history testifies that great blessings, such as inventions, discoveries, and the like, are the fruits of enduring perseverance. Perseverance is persistence with purpose. It is the ability to continue striving despite obstacles, disappointments, or delays. Unlike mere stubbornness, perseverance is guided by vision. It is the discipline to keep walking when the path is steep, trusting that each step brings us closer to the summit. Perseverance involves being resilient in adversity, as it teaches you to rise after each fall and turns each setback into a stepping stone. It requires faith in the unseen, that is, believing in outcomes that are not yet visible, and it holds on to hope when evidence is scarce. Besides, perseverance brings growth through struggle, as each challenge endured strengthens character, deepens wisdom, and refines the soul. Perseverance bears fruit in every sphere of human life. For instance, in the sphere of education, a student who studies diligently despite failures eventually masters the subject and reaps the blessings of knowledge. The careers of innovators like Thomas Edison involved thousands of failures and their perseverance that gave birth to significant scientific breakthroughs. Even in personal sphere, families who endure hardships together and persevere in them often emerge with stronger bonds and discover blessings of unity and love. These examples show that though perseverance is often tedious, exhausting, and lonely, it is precisely its quality of endurance that makes the eventual blessing so profound. Besides material rewards, many inner treasures stem from perseverance. It shapes a person's strength of character by cultivating qualities such as integrity, humility, and courage. Perseverance brings fulfillment, the joy of achievement that is hard won. Besides, those who persevere and achieve leave behind their legacy, their trail of hope and example to inspire others. Great blessings result from great perseverance because perseverance transforms both the journey and the destination. It makes you resilient, hopeful, and capable of turning trials into triumphs. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.